In this example, I'm going to show you how you can use Smart Edges to help speed up the creation process. We're going to digitize these letters with the column tool. Now, this is a JPEG image, so the lines aren't very crisp and clean, but it'll still work fine for Smart Edges. Normally, I would take and I would click, click, and when I get into areas like this, it can be problematic. I'll have to zoom in a lot to really see what I'm doing, and then I really can't see everything, so I got to zoom back out so I can find the edge. You see, with Smart Edges, I can stay at a reasonable zoom because it really doesn't matter what I can see. It matters what the computer can see. Click on the Smart Edges icon, and then if you notice, as I click and drag, the Smart Edge stays on the division between the color separation. So I don't really have to worry about lining up. I can concern myself more with simply the stitch angle. You see? If I have an area where I need to overlap like this, I can still use Smart Edges. You see, I don't really have to even click on the line. But if I can force the system to lay a point just by dragging it off. When you're using Smart Edges with normal fill, you get a rectangle, the rectangle size, and the system will, as long as where you're at is inside the rectangle, you see you can actually outline very quickly with this. Smart Edges is similar to Magic Wand, except for you have a little more control. Let's say Magic Wand would outline this W completely. We know that. If we just click Magic Wand and we click, you see that's much quicker. However, if I wanted to split it into a couple different blocks, Magic Wand would require some editing. With the Smart Edges, I can jump across and split the block up on the fly. That's how you can use Smart Edges.